All right, module 2, defining your services. Let's talk about group fitness instructing. So there's two main ways to be in the group fitness game. So you can either be a group fitness instructor in traditional sense, is you're going to be employed by a big box gym to run classes. You're usually going to be a contractor. They're going to, maybe pay you 60, whatever it is, 50. I don't really know the exact amount because each club varies on contractor to contractor, but they're going to pay you an hourly amount to run a certain amount of classes for them, which is a value add to that club, right? So that can be a very tough gig because you might do, let's say, 2-3 classes a day, and they're going to be probably very early in the morning, might be middle of the day, and later in the night. It's going to be somewhat irregular, right? And it's also going to be fairly taxing on the body. So in that kind of model, you are going to be looking to supplement your income with personal training income. The good news is, if you are a fitness instructor, you do somewhat have a captive audience in the sense you have these people who are coming to your class and they want to get fit. So it's a very easy thing to put your hand up and say, at the front of the class, I'm also taking on personal training clients, if the club allows, that is, of course. Come see me after class if you want a little extra help. So you can do kind of a soft sale, hang around, see what people are doing. Obviously, all within regulations of what the club, because the club might say, no, you can't do PT. That's going to be depending, right? That's one route of group fitness instructing. The other way is to begin your own boot camp. Now, in PT, and again, I'm going to talk about this in the next couple of modules, there are two main business models, and the business model is you either charge more for your time and see less clients, or you see more clients and charge less. And the group model and the boot camp model is exactly that. You're charging less. I'm just going to use an easy number. Let's say $10 a session. You're charging $10 a session, but you might see 10 people during that session. So you've got your $100 there, right, per boot camp that you run. And there's many different ways to put that together, from unlimited to buying packs and all that kind of stuff. So with that model, the biggest problem that you're going to have is logistics. So you're going to do a 6 a.m., let's say, session, and some people might not be able to do 6 a.m., right? Some people need to do 7 a.m. So you're going to do a 6 a.m. and 7 a.m. and 8 a.m. and then you've got your evening sessions. So you might only have 1 or 2 people coming to the 6 a.m., but then 4 people coming to the 7 a.m. So finding a time that works for everyone, and also in the beginning, it's getting that amount of people to start gathering momentum. This is where, if you're doing it multiple times a week and making sure people buy into it multiple times a week, is where those businesses become more successful. So group trainer model is the hardest thing with a group trainer model is basically getting the amount of people paying at that lower rate and getting them sticky. So they're constantly coming back and they're really enjoying what you're doing.